Hello again, Pietro here with
T.P.K.
T.P.K, the Paramount Kid. And today we have something special. The new version of whatever this phone is. Do you remember the Hasselblad from 2000 and, when did I get to? 2021. So how old is this phone?
3
years old, which is a long time for technology. Here we go, ready?
Yes.
Don't do this at home, kids. No playing with knives. Do you want to do it? No. Okay. We'll make a small incision. Oh!
The OP12. The OP12.
Yes. And inside the box, there's some stuff.
Is it from OnePlus?
It's time to get Carl paid, right? The OnePlus 12 model CPH25839er, RAM 16 gig, ROM 512 gig. Guess what they call the color? Guess. Can you read that?
Flowy Emerald.
What is that? Flowy Emerald? This one was pine green or something. Anyway, okay, here we go. It says, do not accept if seal is broken. What do you think that means, T.P.K? It means it might be tampered with. Ooh, it says contains soy oil. What does that mean? Uh-oh. Cancer and reproductive harm. Well, good thing I'm done having kids. Do you want a little brother or sister?
No.
It's gonna be too late. Okay, here we go. Ready? Slice. Oops. Slice. And slice. Okay, you want to do the honors? Nice and slow. Oh, what does that say?
Never settle.
Never settle. And for the last, I tried the OnePlus 10, tried the OnePlus 11. They were lame. So I felt like I was settling. Oh, that's nice. Okay, you need to take it out, T.P.K. Holy camera system. That is shiny. Okay, go ahead. Take off the wrapper. Wow. Okay, and they have this tag on the back, which is, yeah, we don't need that.
Stickers.
Stickers. Okay, that is really cool. And we have the switch. You know, this looks a lot like this one. Oh, almost the same height. So one on the left is 2021, and the one on the right with the camera circle is 2024. The new one is just a smidge higher. They moved the vibration silent button from the right to the left. The power is still on the right, and they moved the volume, so they copied Google. Should we turn it on? Go ahead, push that button. Is it turning on? Oh, it's booting up. When that boots up, whoa, we have a charger. Take note, Apple and Samsung. And we have the token red charger. That's kind of cool, right? Ooh, pretty. It says hello. And that's it. I thought I was getting a wireless charger. Ooh, scan the code below. I am Red Cable. I'm a member of Red Cable Club. And then there's this really cool adapter that goes from USB-A to USB-C. They no longer have the microphone port. So we get the membership card. T.P.K, the stickers are yours. Thanks for clicking on by. Okay, I'm gonna charge this phone. And thank you, Pink Lion, for not sponsoring the video, but giving me the cool hat. So click on over to pinklion.ai if you want to learn more about some really cool artificial intelligent testing. T.P.K, what are your initial impressions of this fancy phone?
It's a great phone.
How much do you think I should have paid for this?
Thousands.
What? How much would you pay?
I don't know.
It was on sale. I got it for $450, which is my whole allowance for YouTube. So I can't buy anything else during February. I'm broke the rest of the month, and I have to give back this one. Do you think I should give back the OnePlus
I
9
don't
Pro?
know.
Does this say Hasselblad on it?
It's the letter H.
Ah, it does say H for Hasselblad. Right there, folks. Well, I'll set this up. This is going to be the normal stuff, and I may or not film it. See you later. Oh, OnePlus, what were you thinking? They sent me a USB-A to USB-C. That brick looks really antiquated, but we'll plug it in regardless. We'll try to find a spot right here on the Anchor Death Star. And I am digging the color. The color is nice. Even kind of has a marble finish. You can actually feel the OnePlus logo, which is nice. So we'll plug this in for the first time since it came from the factory. Hello, English, US, next. Sure, 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 sure. Next. Connect to mobile network. Next. Oh. Wants me to connect to Wi-Fi. Stand by. Connected to Wi-Fi. Battery came at 59%. Now it should be charging rapidly. Getting my phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. Yeah, I'm going to say don't copy. I like to do a clean slate. Oh, 61%. Sign into Google. Skip. Skip. Use location. Yep, sure. Let's do fingerprint. Ah, hang on. Look away. There we go. Ooh, got some haptic feedback there. That feels cool. Oh, turned it off. Oh, that was nice. Huh, look away. Okay, we're back on fingerprint. Ah. I just thought it'd be making more noise. Move my finger. Okay, the haptic or taptic feedback is better than the OnePlus 11. Phone is still good. Ooh, and we're at 65%. Join in, skip. I like the buttons. Recommended, automatically update the content. Sure. Oxygen OS. There we go. We're into the UI, and it is Thursday. So if we go to the battery, 11 minutes until fully charged. That's what I like about OnePlus. Battery health, this is new. Smart charging, yes. Stop at 80, yes. Huh, well, we'll be done even sooner then. It's kind of weird how you can't do both. To slow down battery aging, Intelligent Services learns your charging habits. To slow down battery aging, charging will stop when it reaches 80. Yeah, let's just do that one for now. And it has battery health 100. That's new. My other phone does not have that. Nor does this Nothing phone. All right. Ooh, sounds and vibrations. Live caption, do not disturb off. All right, it's running updates in the back. I need to sign in, but let's check the space. About device, yep. Security, Wall Street. Storage, 2.9 gigabytes out of 512. That's plenty of space. So just booting up, nothing imported, you're only using up 30 gig. Not bad, not bad. And we are at 70%. It is charging lickety splickety. Yep. Oh. Okay. I'll be back soon.